Hey there, so I thought I would just get a video of my ducks out in my garden. So that's one reason I do like ducks. It's one thing that you can't do with chickens, is I allow them to wander around the garden. They go through my rows and they're picking bugs. I'm hoping they're digging down in the grass and getting grubs, because I do have grubs. You can do this once your garden is pretty well established. You can see I don't have any seedlings out here. Everything is fairly well established, because if I had seedlings, they might eat those, but I've been watching them and they're just wandering around, nibbling on things. You might want to consider what you want to protect. So let me show you here. I do have one area where I just planted. Seedlings aren't even up yet, but it was easy to cover. I just used some of this temporary fencing, pretty cheap. They can't get into that little area there where I've got seedlings growing. Or wow, where I've got seeds planted. They haven't even sprouted yet, but. So, now it's gonna rain. They're gonna love it. Use ducks in the garden. It works great sometimes.